Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert a WAV file to an MP3 audio file in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see the File menu. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the Import option. This will reveal another submenu to the side. From this submenu, select Audio. This is how you bring your WAV file into Audacity for conversion. A file browser window will now pop up on your screen. Browse through your computer files to locate the WAV file you want to convert. Once you've found it, click on the WAV file to select it, then click the Open button. This will import your audio file into Audacity, and you should see the waveform appear in the main workspace area of the application. Now that your WAV file is loaded into Audacity, it's time to export it as an MP3. Navigate back to the upper left corner and click on File again. From the drop-down menu, this time click on Export Audio. This option allows you to save your audio in different formats, which is exactly what we need for this conversion. In the export window that appears, click on Export to Computer. This ensures your file will be saved directly to your PC rather than any cloud service. At the top of this window, you'll see a field where you can name your audio file. Go ahead and type in whatever name you'd like for your converted MP3 file. If you want to change where the file gets saved, you can do that easily. Click the Browse button to select a different location folder. Navigate through your folders, select the one you prefer, and then click Save to confirm the new location. This gives you full control over your file organization. Now, here's the crucial part for the conversion. Below the file name section, you'll see an option labeled Format. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select MP3 files from the list. This is what actually converts your WAV file into the MP3 format you're looking for. Below the Format option, you'll notice additional settings including sample rate, bitrate mode, and quality. Click the drop-down menu beside each of these options to select your preferences. These settings control the final quality and file size of your MP3, so choose based on whether you prioritize smaller file size or higher audio quality. Once you've configured all your settings exactly how you want them, click the Export button. Audacity will now process your file and convert it from WAV to MP3 format. This might take a few seconds depending on the length of your audio file, so just be patient while the conversion completes. And that's it. You've successfully converted your WAV file to MP3 using Audacity, giving you a more compressed and widely compatible audio format. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.